Don't you just hate it when you run into a hacker and they have the nerve to say they're not hacking? I'll give you a fine example. I'm just gonna follow this guy. Hit him. And let's see here. Oh, yep. Yep, hit me. Come on, hit me. Hit me. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Come on. Do it for the evidence. Over here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Yep. Yep. Come on, boy. Luring into my trap. Oh, watch this fight. Watch. Just watch. Oh. Well, he had Regen before. Yeah, he had Regen before. Should just scare him a little bit that I have solid proof. And this hacker is saying I'm hacking. Yeah. Sure. And, I just really hate it when... See, I'll be honest. Okay, what are you going to do? Say this kid had Regen. Now that I actually got. I got solid proof of that kill aura. See, I hate it when if I'm not hacking at all and someone calls me out, everyone's like, "Oh yeah, you're hacking. Don't even try to deny it." Now, I'm sorry for like talking to him like this, but let's be honest, he deserves that. And the one thing he doesn't know is that .help doesn't prove anything. But then again, I'm not hacking. So, clearly we have him dumbfounded. Even though I'm not hacking at all. And he claims he didn't have Regen, and of course, you turn your hacks off. Good job. Alright, so apparently he recorded. Yeah. If he did record, they would deny his report but ban him for hacking. If he did at all. I just seriously hate hackers. If I run into one, I gotta record them. And I'm not gonna get straight to the point proof, but I gotta record them. I actually just might record another video of him just to be sure. I'm going to forums. See you later. I don't even know if all that text rendered. Oh yeah, it did. And he says, I use hacks. I'm like, just ban this guy. Sir, what's his name? I don't trust Obama. Alright? Regardless of the name, just ban him, please. Because we don't need hackers like him around in Mineplex. And if I were a mod and I didn't have video proof, rather myself proof and in-game proof and other people proof, he was using way more than Killara last round. Regen, freaking, he actually used speed, I saw one time. I'm not sure if he had anti-knockback or not, though. He did have anti-fire, though, because right when he got out of the lava, he stopped burning. And it was like, why? Anyway, that's that. And this guy's camping. Alright, well, that's the video. Ban this guy.